Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to reset settings in Catmail Co. Let's begin by opening settings. Then select a category at the top you wish to reset. Let's say I want to reset the volume controls. Simply hit revert to factory settings. As you can see, this reverted this category. But if I would go to this category, I could, for example, change the maximum FPS to unlimited, hit this once again, and as you can see, this wasn't changed. So you can only reset category at a time. So I can now reset those settings by hitting this, and I can reset the sensitivity by clicking this. Once you are happy, you can once you are satisfied that the settings have been reverted, you can input them once again or simply play on the default settings. Then you can press the back button, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.